In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your thoughts on Trello boards. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing and managing your tasks, whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, but sometimes it's important to provide feedback, share ideas, or communicate your thoughts directly within the platform. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can easily share your feedback on Trello boards with confidence. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to www.trello.com. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the button that says Login. Next, you'll need to sign in to your Trello account. You can do this by entering your email address and password, or by using a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft, depending on how you've set up your account. Simply follow the prompts to complete the sign-in process using your preferred authentication method. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard. From here, locate the board where you'd like to share your feedback. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one. This will ensure you're working in the right place. After navigating to the appropriate workspace, open the board where you'd like to share your thoughts. On the board, you'll see lists and cards that represent your tasks and projects. Find the specific card you want to focus on and click on it to open the card details. Now, on the card details page, look for a small icon that resembles a megaphone. This is the feedback feature. Click on the megaphone icon to open the feedback form. In the feedback form, take a moment to describe your thoughts clearly and specifically. This is your chance to provide detailed input, so include any relevant information that will help Trello understand your feedback. For example, if your feedback is related to a technical issue, mention the browser or device you're using. If you see any optional boxes about being contacted for follow-ups, you can check or leave them unchecked depending on your preference. And if you'd like, you can review Trello's privacy policy by clicking the link provided in the form. Once you're satisfied with your feedback, go ahead and click the Send Feedback button to submit your message. After submitting, you should see a confirmation message letting you know that your feedback has been successfully received. And that's it. You've just shared your thoughts on Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.